Welcome to Beautyistic. Today, we're diving into a skincare duo that promises to hydrate, protect, and boost your skin's barrier like never before. If you've been struggling with dry, lackluster skin, or just want to level up your glow, this could be the solution you've been looking for. Before we start, if you're new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss a review that could change your skincare game. Now, let's talk about the BYOMA Star Power Duo, a two-piece kit that includes a hydrating serum and a moisturizing gel cream. Each product comes in a convenient 15 ml size, designed to deliver powerful hydration and skin barrier repair in one simple routine. Both of these products are formulated with skin-loving ingredients like niacinamide and squalane, two heavy hitters when it comes to skin barrier health. The hydrating serum works to rebuild and protect the skin barrier. It's packed with niacinamide, which balances the complexion, while squalane helps lock in moisture, preventing water loss through the skin. This serum promises to leave you with plump, glowing skin without any heaviness. It absorbs quickly, so you won't have to wait around for it to settle in before applying the next step. As for the Moisturizing Gel Cream, it's a lightweight yet deeply hydrating cream that works in harmony with the serum. The real magic here is in the triceramide complex, a combination of 3 essential lipids that mimic and replenish the natural ceramides found in your skin. This is a key part of the formula designed to restore moisture levels and ensure your skin stays protected all day long. I was excited to try this duo, and I have to say, incorporating these into my routine was incredibly easy. The serum applied smoothly without any sticky or greasy residue, and the gel cream layered perfectly over it, leaving my skin feeling soft and comfortable, not weighed down. I've been using it both in the morning and evening, and I've noticed my skin looks more dewy and balanced, even on days when I didn't get a full night's sleep. One of the things I appreciate most about the BYOMA Star Power Duo is how skin-friendly it is. Both products are dermatologist-tested, vegan, cruelty-free, and free from harsh alcohols and fragrances, making them ideal for sensitive skin. Whether you have dry, oily, or combination skin, these formulas cater to all skin types. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. On the positive side, these products are light, fast-absorbing, and leave a noticeable glow without causing any irritation. The inclusion of squalane and niacinamide really stands out, as they offer excellent moisture retention and complexion balancing benefits. The triceramide complex is also a fantastic touch for anyone who wants to boost their skin barrier. On the downside, the 15 ml size of each product might not last as long if you're using them daily, especially if you're someone who likes to layer on a generous amount of moisturizer. That said, the performance and skin compatibility are solid, so it's not a huge deal breaker. In terms of value for money, I'd say this duo is reasonably priced considering the quality of the ingredients and the science-backed approach. If you're looking for high-quality, skin-compatible products without the hefty price tag of luxury brands, BYOMA fits the bill. It delivers on its promise of maintaining and protecting your skin barrier, which is a fundamental step for achieving that healthy, glowing complexion we all desire. If you're looking for an alternative, there are other affordable skincare brands with similar products that focus on hydration and barrier repair. However, I think BYOMA offers a more comprehensive solution with its unique triceramide complex and combination of niacinamide and squalane. So does the BYOMA Star Power Duo live up to its claims? Absolutely. This duo offers excellent hydration, skin barrier repair, and a radiant finish, making it a fantastic option for anyone looking to boost their skincare routine with gentle, effective products. Thank you for watching today's review. If you're interested in picking up this duo, you can find the link to purchase in the description box or the comments below. And if you've already tried BYOMA, let me know what you think in the comments. Your thoughts could help other viewers decide if it's the right product for them. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.